Hi guys, Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. This is our weekly schedule. The purpose of this video is to cover all the trading events we are going to be dealing with for the rest of the week. And part 2 of the video, it's simply showing how to apply the points and everything which I'll be mentioning on this video. Now keep in mind, if you are new, you're going to be using your demo account until I change your group's name, and basically it's gonna be a little bit difficult for the new ones to actually get everything all at once. So the main problem is that people wanna join and then immediately understand everything. I believe in about a period of about estimation of 3 weeks or more, depending on how fast and where do you invest your time on. I believe, man, in a matter of about 3 weeks you can be able to capture everything. So right now, without wasting time, I'm just gonna mention the trading days, times, pairs, and points. Ne? If you're new, you need to finish reading the free PDF which I sent, so that you can at least have the theory of what Forex is all about. And forgive me for the background noise. Actually, I'm on the way as we speak, so it's just that there's no way I can sleep without sending you guys the video. So Tuesday, 11:30, GBP USD 150 points, and Wednesday it's gonna be 11:30 as well, GBP USD 150 points, and then 3:30 it's gonna be USD JPY, still on Wednesday, USD JPY 150 points, and then from there it's gonna be on Thursday 2:30 a.m. It's gonna be AUD USD, that's the pair, 150 points, and then 11:30 retail sales, GBP USD 150 points, 3:30 USD JPY 150 points as well. It's coming along retail sales, and then 6:30 p.m. it's gonna be a speech. It's gonna be USD JPY 300 points, but I'm not a fan of speeches. To me, speeches nowadays, they are time delaying. However, you don't know what might happen, so we all don't know what might happen, so let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. So Friday, it's gonna be 10:30 Euro USD. It's a speech, 300 points, and then after that it's another last speech, 12 o'clock GBP USD, 300 points as well. Now I want you guys to understand something with speeches are a bit different from normal events. Speeches, we don't have actual, we don't have previous, we don't have cons. Remember, each and every event we have actual, cons, and previous. Cons is the same as prediction. Basically what happens fundamentally so is that Tuesday 11:30, example, on this event, previous is 2.7%, cons or prediction is 3.0%. They are estimating that it's gonna go a little bit above the previous by, let's say, 0.3% estimation. That's why the cons is on 3.0. But what we're waiting for is the actual, which is gonna come out exactly at 11:30 a.m. Now, if the actual is greater than the cons, then it means that it's positive. It's bullish for all GBP pairs, meaning that the chart or the graph is gonna go up. And then if it's below the cons, then it means it's bearish or it's going down. I want you guys to understand what makes the market to go up, what makes the market to go down. It's this kind of event. So basically, as fundamentals, we are only focusing on this event. But I want you guys to know that we have so many events happening in a month, plus or minus 24 events which we are trading monthly under 1 minute strategy itself. So basically, you need to choose the best out of 6 events to focus on for the rest of your life. How do you get them? You just trade all events for a month. Just give yourself a month and trade all events, even on 0.01 lot size, it's fine. Then when you actually find your best events, stick to them. You no longer need the weekly schedule. Stick to them. The main problem with my students is that they want to trade each and everything, and then mostly when good events come, you guys no longer have money. We all lose money. We all blow accounts. There's no trader who doesn't blow. Even myself, I do blow accounts. You understand? And part of the blowing, it's being recorded as part of the reality show. So that's why I'm unable to record for you whenever I lose as well, because it's gonna be a conflict of interest. I'm gonna fight with the reality show producers, because these are the things which you will be able to see when the reality show comes out, because we are trying to show people that it's not always the case that you will be making money out of forex. There are wins, there are losses. The trick is to trade smart. The trick is to run after knowledge so that money can follow you like it's following some of us. Otherwise, let me go to part 2 of the video, www.fbkrealityshow.com. Thank you guys.